Blueprint. Noun. A type of paper-based reproduction process producing white-on-blue images, used primarily for technical and architecture's drawings, now largely replaced by other technologies. Blueprint. Noun. A print produced with this process. Blueprint. Verb. To make a blueprint for. The architect blueprinted the renovation plan once the client had signed off. Blueprint. Verb. To make a detailed operational plan for. They blueprinted every aspect of the first phase of the operation. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.